Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the 10th floor building that's being built up by 58 Halfway Tree Road. That is the building straight ahead. Major construction has finished. It's just for the individual offices to build out their setup inside. Now this location is owned by Musson, and one of the subsidiaries of Musson is Stanley Motors, and they are the ones that company is the one that's going to operate this building. And PBS, Productive Business Solutions, is another subsidiary of the Musson Group, and they will have 2 floors in this building, and the building actually has their name, PBS, on it. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this building. The construction of 58 Halfway Tree Road in Kingston, Jamaica represents one of the most ambitious and transformative commercial developments in the country's recent history. Situated in the heart of the New Kingston Business District, the project is not just a physical structure but a symbol of Jamaica's aspirations to become a premier destination for business process outsourcing, BPO technology, finance, and other high-growth industries. The development is being spearheaded by Stanley Motor Limited, a subsidiary of the Musson Group, with a vision to create the largest tech and BPO park in the English-speaking Caribbean. The project spans over 5 acres and is designed to deliver over 300,000 square feet of rentable office space upon completion. Its strategic location and innovative architectural design have already begun to redefine Kingston's skyline and urban functionality. At the heart of the project is Unit 1, a 10-story commercial tower that began construction in early 2023. With an estimated cost of US $12 million, this building alone contributes 126,000 square feet of prime office space. Designed by Synergy Design Studio and supported by a team of top-tier engineering firms such as HTG Engineering and Peter Jervis and Associates, the structure incorporates modern features aimed at efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. The building includes structured parking across 2 levels, a rooftop terrace, ground floor lobby and cafe, and 4 high-speed elevators. It also features eco-friendly systems such as rainwater harvesting, improved installation, and infrastructure ready for a smart building management system, a reflection of Jamaica's increasing emphasis on green and intelligent design. These design elements not only make the building attractive to local businesses, but also to international firms seeking competitive, modern office environments in the Caribbean. The development of 58 Halfway Tree has major implications for economic development in Kingston. By focusing on the needs of the BPO, tech, finance, and insurance sectors, the project is creating new job opportunities and attracting foreign investment. Canopy Insurance is one of the first major tenants, having secured the entire 7th floor, while the well-established Alorca BPO continues to operate from the adjacent 58 Halfway Tree Tech Park, highlighting the area's growing reputation as a business hub. Financing for the project has been secured through leading Jamaican institutions such as First Global Bank, Sagicor Bank, and VM Group, a signal of local confidence in the development's viability, and long-term economic impact. These institutions are not only financial partners but also potential occupants in a space that is poised to redefine business operations in Kingston. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.